Okay, so I'm going to show you how to register for this app. It's called keiPhone app. So first, I'm going to show you my airtime balance. I don't use MTN for calls on this line. So I'm just going to show you the 500 I got immediately after registering. As you can see, here it is. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to your Play Store app, search for keiPhone. As you can see the logo here, that's the spelling, K-E-I. Then you write phone, install the app. Well, after installing the app, the process is very simple. You open the app. After opening, you have to register. So you select no thanks. Select your language. You got to choose English. Next. Okay, let's start. So from here, the reference number, phone number, is that person who told you about this information. So here, you're going to put this number. I'm going to copy my number here. It's my reference number I'm going to use. So I'm going to place it here and I press continue. Remember, you cannot register more than 2 numbers on one phone. So I already registered this number, but I'm just going to show you what happens. Don't put a 0. You have to remove 0 so that it accepts like this. So it takes us some time. It's somehow slow, though it works. So here, I'm going to put a phone number. Of course, it's not going to work, but that's what you're going to follow. The steps you're going to follow. It's not going to work because this phone I'm using for recording this video has already been registered with this app. Alright? If you're not understanding the steps so well, you can check. There's a link on our video description. I have outlined all the steps in our website. So I know if you go there, you can follow it clearly. So you can see this device is already registered with the other number. Alright, so I'm going to use that number which I used for registering just to log into the app to show you the steps. It won't work still. I just want to clarify this. If you're already registered with one phone on a number, it won't accept another number. You have to use one number. That's when it will accept. So from here, I'm going to log in with the number I used for registering, which you are going to use as your reference number. So as I said earlier on, this is a slow app. I don't know why it is slow, but it works. So they'll send you an OTP code over the top. Password, if you get it, you're going to input it here. So I've got mine, as you can see, 6508. I'm going to put it in 6508. Continue. So we are in. So if you've registered for the first time, you'll be given 500 shillings for free. I already got mine and I redeemed. Give this app the permission to display over other apps. Yes. So the app is keiPhone on. So if you want to earn more airtime, you simply go to my videos. Well, if you go to my videos, you'll be given a list of videos that you can watch to earn some airtime. All right. So also they have surveys. Every video will be with attached price. As you can see, this one, you watch it and you get 200 shillings, 100 shillings, 200 Uganda shillings. So you just watch the video and you get that amount of money that I've indicated. Very simple. So you can try it out as well. If it works for you, leave your comment below or in our website. Thank you very much for watching.